Relationship coach Nanaya Prempe says mothers who always cook for their married sons is a sign of witchcraft.
Mothers are still cooking for their sons when they are married. How can you allow witchcraft to work in you like that? How do you allow witchcraft to work in you like that when your son is married and you don't want him to eat his wife's food? And because you love your son so much, you would choose to cook for your son to come to your home and eat when he has a matrimonial home. And you think that you are helping your son. Yep. You should bow down your head in shame. You should rather go there and enjoy the food of your daughter-in-law.
I come straight to Shanzi. She's a woman. I say,
okay, it's a young from the side too. Ebia Nabisiano Sono, Lady Bane Yado. And I the only made Bane. You'll miss a fort.
So, how about the husband, trying to help the woman by getting somebody to teach her? So will you forever run to your mother to cook for you?
Okay. So please, what I'm trying to say is that we have some women who are not willing to learn. I've seen some. That is why I'm saying it boldly. So there are certain women who can't cook. When they are here by force, there or the Otnifin and Mamichin by force our low sabada because may be prefer there. Wobenya ebia maids or cooks around
or something.
Into your dam confunu ho. Ye for no fan twin channel. If one besiano only made baniye, two nedi baniye do. Three na say problem be any what dama often a dibansem home. Na say awo aso. Ajwenim. I ajenim nesi de be a be dibandamo ubano no wedi. I bring him the bready wawal. Mpochanya na day. Say maswa. Maka kama me that fine. Because oye nyande na leyen. No chiro oba no akasa wala no sunsun. E pede be jan na be no when ya hoto na wala ase. Abenta ya so pede beti me do. Ta wonti me ediba na mukuni ndi. Me imagine no ya me ko be do fi oba do papa.
And I believe she's single.
Why? No, tell me why.
In the pressure in my day, they say, "Hey, I'm
so worried." I so because more being me, I don't see myself doing that. Hattie, let's say that Brahmins, I be feel pioneer comment so. Not so I be feeling the banana radio. Should we all bufu? Ebia, we for there, but banana be but because if some issue by me win war, I think social media. Guy never try. One got your name, then the mokona do fufu. Ewa fufu na bank no se bibi da man. And a lady no. O man is on your fufu. Lady no so we shop. Nukuna no way shop na the man. Into a kite or man message earlier. Then no will fill the bed fufu into your fufu. Asen is kabibia. Into say ain't me fufu na. What are you supposed to do? Tell your husband that in there customers say would do it importo. So better as on tasa trum na kona ke demand because who couldn't sell be the fufu. My making a tasa. What the lady did was one can be also customers say would do it no. Also customers open by 5 local for full time or or also for better no or there on kwan kakebisha fridge mo heating na or you could contain the money there or manage on na addiction where the fufu no. Sister, be some number some the better than the see. Or sure, sister, you know who born in naked Nissa Bonton. It's too much.
That is too much.
It is too much. I get it. But you, the lady,
a hungry man is an angry man.
You understand? So a way to a man's heart.
It's not through his stomach.
It's not his stomach again.
It is parts. I'm
I'm
a minimum for my but I want to fall arm. Minimum for the body to fall what
and you're still single. Oh, okay.
It's only what can they past issues.
Convince man if one man is a man.
No, Mr. Minimum for my age, but now one while fall arm. That is
fall washala. Hey, then the fall wasn't real.
Oh, was chalet, but still nah, but issues no door since you're for facing chen. You understand? Into a home, sister, I catch them on Kawabwa. Maybe it's not fully that, but it is part of it because being the neighbor some no fin that way. It's our and then many council bidding commerce there. besie ni mediban ye na de bia different besia no ye diban order man e for my sample facing different besia ye diban order man no de bi ye diban order man or get no attention. So one day obey ye diban the next day
no why ye diban
why different diban so that man no actually diban ni nya wo di ko n'enyim atasa nti diban de sister wa worry no ya do ohia kese nti awo ma na be yan wa age na be yan wo ye abre wo kun adukun wewa ana okusi na na wa apom ntimo eyed mama no ndi abedinti a mpocho ya anyen into the master ya so so do
Kofi Ansan
asamu nda momwale da so ya no wa ba ye pom fe be
bole ko bra menzo
mpocho ese
it's some question right.
It's getting tension. Tension now starting.
It's for the bed make I can forget. I'm Oyampo. What remember ballet? Oh, as number 4
we are now fighting over relationship status. Okay.
Mempede back kede oyanyen and oye wa yanyen.
Oyanyen.
But when you the papa. Because me read the post not say always no one. You dey be a dark who be na say ya manu. Like I
they be
say me bane the man me nimid banu di no from me no did man be na sabe wa afinti man me nimid banu na de ke mam na some ko wa yanyen
bravo
so Hetty. So yes, I mean
yes, Anyen bia.
No, Anyen is too strong a word. It's too strong a word.
But Anyen nya de gang yelu.
No, see,
but we have go
Yenze. You are Bruchi and Kenya. I don't have a problem. Ghana.
We say can you be there? Obi otuna. Behavior
no, Anyen is too strong a word. You bet me akade. Or Gigi aware because see, it doesn't matter how much you love your son. If it's once in a while, I mean that's fine. Once in a while, see,
normal.
Every man, every boy, every male child enjoys the mother's food. You understand? So on a normal day, one day you feel like because the way I want my baby jollof would be. Then times since your jollof na dey no wasesa but then times jollof what they eben the salmon they make kind of jollof then times jollof when ye Nancy a tomato paste man I bank of a jollof is some for sure
and I had to be
thank you be the next
jollof is some no but then times how are not jollof ye taste no on ye them kind of jollof na sis ye you understand so things have changed, but that taste no way. So once in a while you would want to. Why the attorney make a day? First net to watch a shitono. A dry shito. It's not say the in sunkote. Nini account. But to make it a constant thing there every day. The banana every day on your day, nail unto me be man. On your day nail on you made bani. But constantly you are trying to stand in that gap no how our no
like I also as being
no it's easy if you allow your mother or father or parents whatever both parties to have a stake in your marriage to call shots in your marriage do
but I say me chawano no okay assembly story be a lady no us there nuku no we sika fo pa o worry no minim so worry no hu so date no nim na na nyogudo o worry we ni beyin there's no there also what's unchen one and neighbors there's no there beyin no on kwa na maame nche no da na maame no do na every single day ohun adon ye ne maame ne banana ohun adon ye brother no beje da maade
so the main hu oye it's not a very dicey thing because see the bond between a mother and a son sometimes it can be very strong.
Yeah.
The same way there's a bond between a father and daughter. No so it's a natural thing. But when you get into a certain stage, you should be able to know that in your master that psychological preparedness to leave home is very important Nti ehɔ no na omo e challenging is maame de obepede every day bi obeyed banamo. But ojina awo be ni so there ebe hu there sisia no ye o maame na de bi oyed ba mo sisia na awor. Nti besia no na wa occupy that position. Your kitchen doesn't belong to your mother. It doesn't belong to your if you are the woman, it doesn't belong to your mother-in-law. Your kitchen is your kitchen. Your mother-in-law's kitchen is her kitchen. You understand? So some even have this a case where ebe there maame no oba be yin fi na wa bada oba be yi di banda kind of is a big no. I mean pome circle. I mean I'll sack you unless it's something that it be a collectively some function mean be a year together, but a man's kitchen belongs to his wife. So being was there constantly ordinary needs ban. Say if for one or two reasons in tea na say bia besia no onye edzibana ono ho, but to like from the post no always or chere wa jenim there or here onta no more kade witchcraft no. But I feel that witchcraft too is too strong, but the person is becoming a nuisance in the home. And obanama oba hawadrin kakra.
Interesting. So this is where we wrap up for today's edition of the Click Bars. My name is Hessie. It's been a pleasure coming your way. Subscribe to our socials so you don't miss any of the good things we have for you. See you same time, God willing, next week.